Alright, here it is, guys. You wanted a video or pictures of how I installed the Wolfbox 930. The 930 has a 10-inch camera, and I've got it adjusted to where it will not hit either visor. I put half-inch spacers and longer M6 30mm long screws to drop it down, and now you get that clearance. All the wires are tucked underneath in here, ran underneath, zip tied. I removed everything. Let me get down. Wire goes in here. You can see where the black box is. Wires ran underneath. Wire goes through the train. I put split loom so it doesn't get kinked. And ran the wire underneath. There's a harness along the frame. You can see I got some split loom on it also to protect it anywhere it can rub. Right there where it can rub, make sure you put some split loom again. Ran it between the RSI cap. Attached it to the Frontrunner rack. And you've got the camera mounted right there. So I've reached out to Wolfbox, and I'll be doing another video installing it onto my JL. So follow me and I'll do an in-depth install on that one.